So I'm here in Marietta, Georgia today, and I wanted to do a video footage of the before. They did demo day yesterday, and then they're coming back tomorrow to start some of the install. But they pulled all the old tile off this wall, all the tile off the floor, and they're gonna put some new tile back in. So this is the first bathroom. There's two more, so I'll take you to those next. So here we are in the master. I'm super excited for this one. This is going to be a huge transformation. She is going to have a shower back here on this back wall. And then we're going to tile some of the tile on the back wall back here. And then she'll have a freestanding bathtub put in right here. And then she has a double vanity sink coming in right here. And then we'll have tile here on the main floor. But this is going to be such a cool project, and I'm excited to share the end result. So stay tuned. So here we are in the powder room. We installed this LVP all throughout the main first level of this home, and I really like the color palette that they chose. It's there's no windows in this bathroom, so the light floors, the light walls really help brighten the space. And it was a great addition to this bathroom. We have one more bathroom back here. They haven't quite finished all the demo. They come back tomorrow to finish this space. They have to pull up the rest of this tile here. They did get all the tile off the back wall and the main floor. This is going to be such a lovely transformation. I think she said she's been in this home for 25 years. So they're doing some upgrades and remodels, and cannot wait to see what they have chose. It's going to be such a lovely addition to her beautiful home.